Hey guys, let's get ready to make chicken dinner platter today. This is all-time favorite meal of my family. Take 2 chicken breasts cut into medium-sized pieces. Add minced garlic cloves, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dill, dried, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, marinate for 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees centigrade. Now we prepare our potatoes to roast. Take 4 to 6 potatoes cut into large size pieces. Season with 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper flakes, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon thyme, and 1 teaspoon of dill. Drizzle some olive oil. Toss to coat. Spread in a sheet pan lined with aluminum foil. Into the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Next, we prepare sweet peppers to sauté in a pan. Slice peppers in half longwise. Sprinkle peppers with salt, pepper flakes, lemon juice, and enough oil for a thin coating. Stir fry until blistered and warmed, or 3 to 4 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to prevent burning. Add the marinated chicken to the pan. Cook 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown and done. So our chicken looks perfect. On the other side of stove, we are boiling water for spaghetti in a pot with 1 teaspoon of salt. It's been 40 minutes guys, and our potatoes are perfectly done. In a small non-stick pan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 4 large minced garlic cloves and cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook for about 1 minute or until lightly golden. Now slowly add 2 by 3 cup of whole milk. Simmer until thickened, about 2 to 4 minutes. Add salt and white pepper to your taste. Pour onto boiled spaghetti. This was the last step of our chicken dinner with sides. You can sprinkle some black pepper on spaghetti. It's yummy and delicious and full of nutrition. Happy eating, guys! You know what to do. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel.